Welcome back to Homes on Wheels. The Tesla Model Y features a clean, modern front design that reflects the brand's minimalist styling. At the front, the sleek LED headlights create a sharp and futuristic appearance while providing excellent visibility. The smooth, sculpted hood is carefully shaped to improve aerodynamics, helping the vehicle achieve greater efficiency and driving range. The factory-designed front bumper blends seamlessly into the body, giving the Model Y a refined and premium look. At the center sits the genuine Tesla logo, representing one of the world's leading electric vehicle manufacturers. Every line and curve on the front of the SUV is engineered to reduce wind resistance without compromising style. The wide stance and balanced proportions give the Model Y a confident road presence, while the premium factory wheels complement its sporty yet elegant character. This combination of advanced engineering and timeless design makes the Tesla Model Y one of the most recognizable electric SUVs on the road today.
The rear design of the Tesla Model Y is clean, modern, and instantly recognizable. Its signature LED taillights stretch elegantly across the back, creating a premium look both day and night. The aerodynamic tailgate blends smoothly with the factory rear bumper, enhancing both style and efficiency. At the center, the genuine Tesla emblem highlights the brand's minimalist design philosophy, while the premium alloy wheels complete the SUV's refined and sporty appearance. The Tesla Model Y features a premium black and white interior, designed with simplicity and comfort in mind. The minimalist dashboard is centered around the original 15-inch touchscreen, which controls almost every function of the vehicle. The genuine Tesla steering wheel provides a clean, modern driving experience, while the panoramic glass roof fills the cabin with natural light and creates a spacious feel. Premium factory seats offer excellent comfort for both short trips and long journeys. A built-in wireless charging pad and high-quality materials throughout. The cabin complete an interior that perfectly blends advanced technology with modern luxury. The Tesla Model Y is powered by an advanced all-electric powertrain featuring authentic dual electric motors and a high-capacity Tesla battery pack. This factory-engineered system delivers instant acceleration, smooth performance, and impressive efficiency without producing tailpipe emissions. Every component is precisely designed to maximize power, driving range, and reliability, making the Model Y one of the most advanced electric SUVs on the road today. The right side profile of the Tesla Model Y highlights its sleek aerodynamic crossover design and smooth factory body lines. Flush door handles sit perfectly level with the body, improving both style and efficiency. The premium factory alloy wheels give the SUV a sporty stance, while the panoramic glass roof adds a modern, luxurious touch. Every detail of the side profile is carefully engineered to deliver an ideal balance of elegance, performance, and aerodynamic efficiency. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more exciting automotive content. Thanks for watching.